Crosby Volkswagen is buying cars. Demand for quality, previously owned vehicles is up. So we encourage you to take a hard look at your vehicle or vehicles. Has your life situation changed? Are you now working remotely and no longer require an additional vehicle? Are you working closer to home and no longer required to commute? Are you unsure of your vehicle's value? Are you driving more and the kilometer allowance on your lease is a concern? Let Crosby Volkswagen appraise your vehicle free of charge and free of commitment. We utilize sophisticated software that provides us with an accurate, in-the-moment value of your vehicle. Comparing it to similar models with similar kilometers, we can present you with a variety of exit strategies and outline the best course of action for parting ways with your vehicle and getting the best value the market allows. We offer numerous options for completing a purchase evaluation in dealership, at home, or virtually. Also, if you have a service appointment with us, please notify us in advance and we can do an assessment while the vehicle is already here. We will work with you to make this as convenient a process as possible. When you are satisfied with our transparent and straightforward offer, we can make a purchase of your vehicle and you can leave with money in hand. There's no commitment to trading your vehicle at Crosby Volkswagen. We purchase vehicles with the same commitment to fairness and customer service as we do when we sell them. For more information or to book an evaluation of your vehicle, contact us at crosbyvw.com.
Crosby Volkswagen.